turn the unit off, unplug the pump from the outlet and remove the unit from the mains. Now take the sunshade off. 2 hands, lift up the unit, place it on its top. Take out the 6-way connector. Remove the J-box cover and take out the 2 cables from the cell lead. Undo the locking ring and remove your old cell. Now with your new cell, place it in the housing. Tighten up your locking ring. With your 2 cell leads, black to black, red to red. And tighten them up nice and firm. Place your cover. And make sure you'll plug your 6-way connector in nice and firmly. Place your unit back up on the bracket, your pump, back in the socket, and then the lead from your unit, plug it back into the mains and turn it on.